Hello and welcome, John Kroner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Monday, February the 25th, 2019. Well, let's go ahead and jump in and take a look at these markets and see how we ended up today. And you can see here we had a nice gap up to start the day out. We gained up, but then we started pulling back pretty much all day long. And you'll notice here we closed near lows. And interestingly enough, we came up and we hit this resistance line right here, and then we pulled back. So as soon as we hit it, we started pulling back. So, the good news is we did close up, because you can see where we closed up from Friday, but we closed near the lows of the day. And we were on about average volume. You can see here our relative volume was 1.04. So, a lot is going to depend on what happens to this market in the next day or two. The fear was, look at last time it hit it, and that's when we had this big down pull. Of course, that was all over the Fed. So it could be interesting here. And let's go ahead and take a look at the Qs now, see what kind of story we have over there. And there we have that resistance as well, maybe just a little bit above it, but, same thing. We had the gap up, and then, once we hit that level there, we started pulling back, closed near lows once again. If you look at that volume, average volume, 1.13, so just a little bit above average. So once again, we're just going to have to keep an eye on this and see what happens in the next couple of days. Diamonds looks like pretty much the same story all over again. We got through this one here, okay, stopped at it Friday, and now we have this next level right there. Got up to it and tapped it, and look what happened. Same thing. There we go, and down we come, closed near lows. So, what wasn't a big pullback. So, I'm not saying that we have a bear market coming or anything, but we need to hold these levels and not have a drastic pullback. So, it's going to be very interesting as we go on. So, with that, let's go ahead and move on into Holly and see how Holly did today in this market. And we can see here Holly Grill had 8 trades for a loss of 26 cents. Risk on profit, though, was $1.60. And if we take a look, her best trade was ADUS, a long trade. The strategy was on support. If we look over here on this side here, on support, its win percentage is 60.4. Overall today, it was 50%. So we had one winner and one loser. And if you take a look here, Holly got into it right here. Got out here on a timed exit, and then if you had stayed in it, it pulled back and you only made 15 cents for the day. And her best trade was DAVA, and this happens a lot. Take a look at what happened here, okay? Holly went ahead, got into this trade. It pulled back a little bit, and she got out for a profit save and got out even right here, okay? And then once she got out, this trade started working, and it closed out. Had you held till the end of the day, 123 was the profit on that. So, nice work there. Holly 2.0 had 7 trades for a loss of 10 cents. Risk on profit 63 cents. Let's see if there's any notable trades there. Well, here we had a short trade, was her best trade, GRA, okay? And the GRA, she sold it here. She bought it back for a timed exit, made 19 cents on it. So that looks like it was right in this area here somewhere. And then had you held it till the end of the day, it continued to pull back, you would have made 39 cents on it. So that was that one. Now let's go ahead and move these charts up so we can get a look at our Holly Neo, see how Holly Neo did today. We had 17 trades there, lost 8 cents, but risk on profit, $1.67 gain. Her best trade was Etsy. That was $1.13, and you can see she got in it here. She got out for a profit save, believe it or not. and then it held, built that nice base, consolidated, then took off it towards the end of the day for 224 risk on profit. And yep, I thought that would be the best in both categories, and it sure enough was. Let's bring our Excel spreadsheet in here, take a look how it all totaled out. We had 32 total trades today, lost 44 cents, and on the risk on mode made $3.90. Okay, and I want to thank you for watching today, and I'm going to bring in my web browser here, and I'm going to take us to my bit.ly link, Be Better Trader blog. And if you take a look here, if you take that, that'll take you to my blog. And let's try that again. Thank you again for watching today, and now I'm going to take you to my blog. It's this bit.ly link right here, and if you click it, you're going to see it takes you to my blog, which is right here. And in here, as I am an affiliate with Trade Ideas, I've been trading now actually for only 3 years, and I got into trading, and as I saw what it could do, I just think that everybody should be doing some type of trading, whether it's investing, whether it's day trading, whether it's swing trading. There's just such an opportunity here, and I just want to share that and get more people involved. Of course, I believe in the Trade Ideas scanning software. It is tremendous to use. And we do offer several free things. The first thing is our trade of the week, okay? And, with the trade of the week, every Monday you will get that emailed to you. All you have to do is if you go into this blog, if you click this, it'll take you to the link. You put your email address in there, and you get a new trade idea every Monday in your inbox. It's intended as a swing trade. It's selected by professional long-time traders. You get entry, exit, and target prices, and we'll show you how we identified the trade of the week, why we believe it'll perform well based on the chart, the technical conditions that are in place for the stock at this time, and how you can find more trades like the trade of the week on your own. So sign up now. Another thing that we offer absolutely free is our trading room hosted by Barry Einerson, okay? And, if you just click this link right here, you can join. You do need to set up a username and a password, but it is totally free. Barry calls out his trades. He also goes over how some of the scans work and how you set them up and how you can adapt them to your way of trading. It is a very, very good room to be in, so give that a shot. Next thing we have that's totally free is this ebook that our guys put together, 5 Ways to Win in a Post-BTFD Market. And so, once again, if you just click here, you put in your email address, you download it, and, you can add trading the short side to your list of things you have in your arsenal. So it's good to do that. And then we have our free webinars, and you can watch our archives if you go to this link. We have a webinar every Monday through Friday, 5 p.m. Eastern, and we go over, a market analysis and, a lot of times how Harley did. Each day kind of has a different theme, so, but it's just more knowledge, it's more free stuff. You get ideas, and you learn. So, you need to be always learning. I don't care if you've been in this market for a day or for 50 years, there's always something else you can learn, a new trade, a setup, or what's working for other people. And lastly, if you see the many benefits and you like what you see, give us a try. We have our standard plan, our premium plan. You can try it by the month or by the year. And I even have here, if you use Bullseye 15, I can save you 15% off your first month or your first year. So I hope you take advantage of some of the free stuff, and maybe someday join us as a member of Trade Ideas as well. And hey, I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.